Chapter 8 is going to be all about percents. So we're going to start with converting between decimals, fractions, and percents, which we've done this all before. A percent is just a ratio comparing a number to 100. So we're going to write numbers in all three forms: fractions, decimals, and percents. So 0% is easy because it is also 0.0 and it's 0 over 1. 1/8, the fraction. First, you got to change it to a decimal by remembering that 1/8 is 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. So there's your decimal form. You divide a fraction to get decimal. To change a decimal to a percent, you grab that decimal point and move it 2 places to the right. So it'll move over to between the 2 and 5, so it's 12.5%. 20%, first I'm going to change it back to a decimal, realizing that the invisible decimal point on 20% is on the right side of the 0. To change from a percent to a decimal, we bring the decimal point left 2 places. So 20% is 0.20, or just 0.2. I don't care, I will accept both of those. To convert that back, this is 20 hundredths, or better, 2/10. That is 1/5. We just read the decimal using its place value. 0.2 is 2/10 and simplify the fraction. 33 1/3% is the same thing as 33.3 repeating percent. 1/3 is 0.3 repeating. You need to know that. So what is this as a decimal? Well, we bring the decimal point back 2 places, so it's just 0.3 repeating. Now we just talked, you need to know that 0.3 repeating is 1/3. That's just something that it's helpful to have memorized. Okay, 0.3 repeating is 1/3. 1/2, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 to a percentage, we move the decimal point right 2 places, it's 50%. 0.25 is 25%. As a fraction, it's 1/4. That is 25 hundredths, which you can reduce, but I would hope by now you can recognize 0.25 as 1/4. 100 as a decimal is 1. When you move the decimal point back 2 places, it's just 1. And as a fraction, it's 1 over 1. And last we have 0.6 repeating. 0.6 repeating is 2/3 as a fraction. Again, something you probably just want to know. And it is 66.6 repeating as a percentage. .24-karat gold is 100% gold. 18-karat gold is 18 parts pure gold mixed with 6 parts of another metal. What percent of 18-karat gold is pure gold? Okay, so to figure this out, we're just going to do the 18 parts that are pure gold and divide that by the total number of parts. So this is gold over total parts. 18 divided by 24 is 0.75. As a percentage then, that is 75% pure gold.